We're locked like a prisoner. That's where we pee. That's where we go east and we go to physics.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel or they come across this video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you stop to the building. So my people, the matter we dey on top of our table today now about the sad story for this a little girl una dey see so where she don't come out come narrate her story and wait till her father and her father mistress take do am for her and her two sisters. My people, I go leave una make una watch the video. Na very heart touching video, my people. We supposed learn a lot of lessons there. But before you finish watch, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video you go be amongst the first to be notified. Make you write for comment section what you think about the video, share with your friends and family for them to know what is happening, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.
Why are you here? What happened?
Me I'm accused. Me, not only me and my sister, we are accused of witchcraft. That's why I'm here with the other of my younger ones.
Who accused you of witchcraft?
Okay, my dad and stepmom. They were the one that accused us that we are witch.
What did you do that made them accuse you of witchcraft? Was there a particular thing that you did, or what exactly happened?
Like, I didn't do it. It's not only we didn't do anything at all. It was just raining that day. It was Thursday, but not this year, not last year. When he came inside, because my stepmom was going to this church called Liberty. So they may prophesy to her there that one of us is a witchcraft. So when my dad came that day was when he came with broom and Bible in his hand. So when he came, meanwhile we were not staying in the main house. We were staying in the fowl house.
What do you mean fowl house?
Where they store chickens. Fowl.
You were living there before, or how? I don't understand.
We were living there, me and my sisters, three of us. That's where we were staying.
Your father put you in a kennel, or was that a poultry?
For our house, that's my dad put us when my mom died. So when we were staying in the main house, not that too long, until like one day he said we are going to stay in the fowl house. That is where we were staying. No ventilation, and the worst part, we were locked like a prisoner, like as say we committed a crime. And then the most funniest thing is that's where we pee. That's where we go east and we go to physics. We physics, yeah, in the rubber. And we don't go out as it's like now I'm outside now. We don't go out. The only time if they like they give us food. We don't like. We stay there and all we have to do is just sit down there and look upon our God Almighty there. We know that He's going to help us one day. That is it.
For how long were you inside this poultry?
Okay, my mom died 2017. Let me put it 1 year.
You were living inside a poultry for 1 year?
Yeah. Staying there 1 year. With my sisters.
3 of you?
Yeah, 3 of us.
How big or small is this?
My younger ones.
I mean the poultry, the place you were staying. How big or small is it? What's the size of the place?
Okay. It's just like, let me just put it just like a main house. I don't even know how to put it. This one they use blocks and did it. So like the roof was not like the normal house that's going to jabber. This one was like when sun it will hit you, like when when they saw you, know that even you are in the house, you even feel it that sun is much. So that's where we're staying. And if we have chance to come outside, our food used to be this palm fruit and palm kernel when we used to sneak out, go to the backyard, because in the backyard there's palm fruit there. So we sneak out to go and get palm fruit, we eat, or palm kernel. And to the extent that people in that community came noticing that they used to lock us like that. So they used to give us food when they are not around. Not through the door, because he always lock the door. It's through one of the space that's in the roof up there. When my dad came to notice it, he sealed the place. Then we still like 1 week when some IJ just came into my way. When we just playing with us, I hit the door. When I hit the door, like there was like some space that people can pass through food to give us. That's how we were surviving. Then my stepmom was even attempting to kill me, but God mercy, I'm still alive to protect my sisters. That's what I'm meant for, to guide and protect them.
How many are you? How many children do your parents have? You and your sisters. How many are you in all?
Okay. So my mom, we are 3. Yeah.
And you locked the 3 of you up in the poultry?
Yeah. I love us there.
For 1 year, you were living like that.
Yes.
How were you now rescued from the place? How did you leave the place?
Okay, how I leave the place is only God that knows. Only God. I'm still thanking God, because me and my sister, we have gone through a lot. Like, let me put it like my dad auntie, she's just a lawyer. So when she just packed me and came to the village there, so like those community people told her what happened, and she was not even happy. She even broke down to tears. So later on, she called these NGOs here, P0OR. When they came, they were the one that came and rescued us, me and my sisters, from my dad.
When they rescued you from your dad, did he say anything?
He didn't say it. All he was saying that we are winch. We are the one that destroy big things, scatter his business, this and that.
What changes did this business encounter? What happened to his business that made him accuse you of witchcraft?
I don't know.
What was he doing? What does he do?
Okay, my dad, before he was working in Unisem. Everybody knows
He was working with?
Unisem.
Okay.
So whether, I don't know when they sacked him out, but we were not with him. We were still with our mom. So later on, he started doing all this taxi driver work like that. So he said me, I was responsible for shutting down this car. The car is not moving, spending money, this and that, going to go and repair his car.
Have you forgiven your dad for locking you up in that place?
Sure, I would have not forgiven him, but people say I should just forgive. But I have forgiven, because God said to forgive is divine. So I have forgiven him. Yeah.
Have your sisters also forgiven him?
Yeah.
They told you.
Yeah.
Before you lost your mother, what was she doing?
My mom was a teacher in the school we were going to. So that's what she was doing.
Tell us about your school. Where were you schooling? What class?
Okay, the school my mom was teaching. Okay, we're going to St. Jude's Anglican Nursery and Primary School. And by that time I already finished my primary school. It was only my younger ones that were still going with that.
So, how about secondary school? You not started yet.
I just finished writing my NECO.
You're done with secondary school now.
Yeah, I'm done.
So, what are your ambitions, or what's your ambition? What do you want to do now? Blessing.
What I want to do is just to like look for something doing that I can help my sisters and others people who are also in trouble like us, to like talk to them on how to speak out when some cases are like this. Yeah.
Do you want to go to university or something?
Yeah.
What do you want to study in the university?
Theater arts.
Theater arts. You don't want to study law? Why
Oh.
do you want to study theater arts?
I would love to, but the books are too pile up. I'm a kind of person that like reading, so
But the law books are too many.
yeah.
You know some lawyers that read a lot.
Yeah.
So you don't want to become a lawyer. But why theater arts? Can you act? Are you good at acting, or what exactly do you want to?
Yeah, I'm good at acting. I'm good at entertaining people, making people laugh. Like,
Do you want to make me laugh?
I'm not in the mood to make anybody laugh.
Well, you can try.
No.
But you're already laughing yourself.
So, yeah, I'm used to it. Like, it's to laugh over my problems, because if I just sit down there moody, and also I just need to laugh out. People may see me as if I have parents, but they don't know I don't even have single, because due to my laughing out, I'm just free with everybody. I laugh, we just gist, but you will not know except you ask me. That's one thing with me.
When was the last time you saw your dad?
Last time I saw my dad was 2018.
2018.
Yeah,
Does he know
2019.
where you are?
Maybe because he knows that we are.
You were rescued.
Yeah, we was there that day. We was there that day.
So your father is still convinced that you're a witch or a witch?
I don't know for him till now. I don't know. It's left for him. It's left for him.
But the major problem was that his business went down, and then he assumed, or someone told him, that you were the ones responsible for the business collapsing.
Like, what I was trying to say is that my stepmom was going to this church, Liberty. Or, Liberty is all about this winch and witchcraft. So, like, they may go to the church and they may tell them that we are once responsible for this and that we are witches. So that is how it happened.
So when's your birthday?
My birthday already passed.
When?
May 14.
You didn't tell me.
I didn't know.
Now that I know, we'll keep in touch.